At the beginning of some surahs of the Holy Quran, there are letters that are read separately, the meaning of which is clear that these letters are the names of the alphabet. But there are different things about what their meaning is. There are various opinions about this, but two seem to be the best. The first thing is that by mentioning these letters, the whole world has been challenged that Allah Ta'ala has revealed the Holy Quran in these alphabets. If you doubt that this Quran was revealed by Allah, so the alphabet is also in your knowledge and use, you should also bring a surah like it. The second thing is that this is one of those similes whose true meaning only Allah knows best.